you have one line of code. Print hello world. You press run. For a split second, your screen just sits there. That silence is a lie. It looks like this button runs your code. Well, it doesn't, not directly. That button up top runs whatever file is open. Today that file has one line. So you press it. What actually happens next? First, what does that button actually do? Nothing special. VS Code takes the file you have opened, finds Python on your computer, and types one command into the terminal for you. Python hello.py. That's it. That's the whole button. You could open a terminal yourself, type that exact line, hit enter, and get the same result. VS Code just saves you the trouble. The button is not magic, it's a shortcut, and the moment that command runs, Python wakes up. It has your file. Now it has to figure out what to do with it. Python opens your file and sees characters, just a long line of letters, symbols, and spaces. At this point, it has no idea what any of it means. So it does the only thing it can. It reads through every single character, one at a time, and starts grouping them. Print. 5 letters that belong together. One group. Open parentheses. Its own group. Hello world. Everything inside the quotes is one group. Close parenthesis. Group. Each group gets a label. This one is a name. This one is an operator. This one is a string. For the nerds out there, this whole process is called Lexer. It's the thing that turns a wall of characters into a neat row of labeled boxes. But boxes alone are not enough. Python still doesn't know what they mean together. Now Python takes those boxes and works out how they relate to each other. Print is a function. Someone is calling it. Hello world is what's being passed to it. So Python draws a map, a tree. Each box finds its place. At the top, a program. Inside that, one action. Inside that, a function call. The function is print. The thing being passed to it is your string. That's it. Just a map of what your code is trying to do. The real name for that map, it's called an AST, Abstract Syntax Tree. Don't worry about memorizing that. Just remember, it's a map. Now Python takes that map and translates it into its own private language. Not the code you wrote, not the language your computer processor speaks either. Something in between, something simpler. A short list of tiny instructions, each one so small and clear that a machine can follow it without needing to figure anything out. Things like, go find the function called print. Pick up the string, hello world. Call the function, give it the string. Done. Return. Your one line of code just became 4 instructions. That list, that's called bytecode. Python always writes this before it runs anything. It happens so fast you never see it, but it's always there. Now the actual work begins. Python has a machine built inside it, not a physical machine, but a software one. And its only job is to read through that list of instructions and follow them, one at a time. It works like a pile of plates. First instruction, go find the print function, place it on the pile. Next, pick up the string, hello world, place it on top. Next, call the function. Take both plates off the pile and go. That's it. That's what executing code actually looks like on the inside. Programmers have a name for this machine. It's called the Python VM, the Python virtual machine. Every instruction in your bytecode passes through it before anything leaves Python's world. Here is the part most people don't expect. Python cannot put text on your screen. It does not have that power. No program does, not on its own. Every program that wants to show you something has to ask the operating system first. The operating system is what you're using right now. You're probably on Windows, Mac, or Linux. I use Arch, by the way. The OS is the one actually in charge of the screen. Python just works for it. So when print finishes, it sends a message up, OS. take this string hello world and write it to the terminal. The OS gets the message. It finds the terminal window inside VS Code and it starts sending characters. If you want to sound smart at lunch, that message to the OS is called a syscall, a system call. Python says you finish it, and the OS does. 1 line of code, 6 jobs, 1 word on a screen. That's just what happens before the terminal. And subscribe to become a nerd.
Cause I don't wanna behave like the wanna flee, like the wanna leave. I never surrender, but ever remember my lover. Did you give up on me? Have you never learned a lesson? Sorry, I will never be living in your dreams and what you wanna see. Think it better go someplace I don't know, cause I got your picture on my mind. I want us to be what we used to be this night. Maybe just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There's no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where.